Still paying for cable TV. The average cable bill in 2026 hits over $80 a month. That is nearly $1,000 a year for channels you barely watch. I tested 3 IPTV providers over several days to find the real cable replacements. And I found some serious red flags along the way: providers who ghost you after payment, trials that work perfectly until you pay, then the real server kicks in and it is garbage. So today I am sharing my top 3 picks that actually held up. Let us get into it. Provider number 1, IPTV with box. This Canadian provider genuinely impressed me. I watched a live football match and a full movie during peak hours, zero buffering, smooth from start to finish. Plans start at $29 US for 3 months, and the 12-month plan runs $55 US, solid value for what you get. One light drawback: pricing is in Canadian dollars, so the conversion adds a small mental step. But the stability and channel lineup make it worth it. Provider number 2, Kemo IPTV. I tested Kemo during a basketball playoff game. It held strong the whole match, no freezes. Their 3-month plan is $29 US, and they offer a 6-month plan at $36 US. No 12-month option listed, which is a small downside if you want to lock in long-term savings. But for mid-term flexibility, Kemo delivers. Provider number 3, Marinios IPTV. I ran Marinios through a Champions League match at peak time. It performed reliably throughout. 3 months costs $29 US, and 12 months runs $63 US. The only minor note: the interface takes a few minutes to get familiar with. But once you are in, the channel variety is impressive. I use all 3 through Visiona, our completely free player at visiona.tv, available on the App Store and Google Play. Now the verdict. Number 1, IPTV with box, best overall stability and value. Number 2, Kemo IPTV, great flexibility, no long commitment needed. Number 3, Marinios IPTV, strong sports performance and wide channel range. All links are in the description and pinned comment. Subscribe for more honest IPTV tests every week.